Are you dreaming of a garden that bursts into life with vibrant colors every summer? Welcome to the world of summer-blooming perennials, plants that return year after year, offering a cost-effective and low-maintenance solution for a dazzling summer garden. Stay tuned as we reveal the top 5 summer-blooming perennials that can transform your garden into a vibrant paradise. First on our list is the cheerful coneflower. Known for their vibrant colors and easy-to-grow nature, these flowers are a magnet for pollinators. They thrive in sunny locations, showcasing their resilience. With their lively hues and resilience, coneflowers are a fantastic choice for any summer garden. Next up, we have the elegant daylilies. These adaptable beauties offer a spectrum of colors and bloom tirelessly throughout summer. Their hardiness and tolerance for various soils make them a versatile choice. For a display that lasts all summer long, you can't go wrong with daylilies. Our third and fourth picks are the vibrant black-eyed Susans and the aromatic Russian sage. The black-eyed Susans, with their golden petals surrounding a black center, create a dramatic visual impact. Now let's meet the Russian sage. Its fragrant silvery leaves and spires of blue flowers add a cooling effect to any garden scene. With their eye-catching colors and distinctive features, both black-eyed Susans and Russian sage will surely make your garden stand out. Last but not least, we have the charming phlox. This perennial marvel boasts a sweet fragrance and a stunning array of colors. It's a magnet for butterflies and serves beautifully as ground cover or border displays. Phlox, with its delightful scent and beautiful blooms, is the perfect finishing touch to any summer garden. So there you have it, our top 5 picks for summer-blooming perennials. We've explored the vibrant coneflowers, the reliable daylilies, the resilient black-eyed Susans, the aromatic Russian sage, and the charming phlox. Each of these plants offers unique features to enhance the beauty and vibrancy of any garden, turning it into a summer paradise. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!